Hey everyone, I'm David. I'm the General Manager at Weld County Garage, and I want to take a minute to tell you about the most exciting promotion we've ever had at Weld County Garage. It started today and it goes through December 24th. Here's the deal. If you buy a car this month at Weld County Garage, new or used, doesn't matter. You buy a car here, we're going to put you into a drawing, and here's what's going to happen. If it snows 5 inches on December 25th, so on Christmas Day, if we get 5 inches of snow, every single person that bought a car in the month of December from December 1st to December 24th will be entered in a drawing. We're going to draw one name at random, and if we get that 5 inches of snow on December 25th, that person is going to win $100,000. You heard me right, $100,000. That person is going to be a wealthy person on December 24th. What a great way to celebrate Christmas. So if you're even thinking about buying a car in the next few months, this would be the time to do it. Because if we get that 5 inches of snow, somebody's going to win $100,000. There's two other ways that you can win money at Weld County Garage this month. During the same time frame, same deal, you got to get a 5 inches of snow on Christmas. If you buy 4 tires for your car, any car that you have in your family, you buy 4 tires, have them mounted and balanced, installed here at Weld County Garage. Your name's going to go into a drawing, and at the end of the month, if we have that 5 inches of snow on the 25th, we're going to draw a name, and that person's going to win $25,000. So there are lots of ways for you to win money. We're going to give away $150,000 if it snows 5 inches on December 25th. Make sure you get your share of that. Get in here and look at a car, find something that fits perfect for you. Even if you're thinking about buying something in January or February, maybe it's worth pulling it forward and buying it in December just to get a shot at the $100,000. Come on in and be a part of our dreaming of a white Christmas.